This Father's Day, let's do more than just giving him a card. Give him something unforgettable, possibly mind-blowing, tear-jerking for sure. And this him can be your father, your grandfather, your uncle. In my case, my father died, so my uncle and my grandfather, when he was alive, they
Subscribe
raised me.
now.
It could be your cousin. It could be somebody who is not biologically a father, but they are a father figure in one way, shape, or form. What I'm going to show you how to do is to create a free, operative word, free, personalized gift for Father's Day. And anybody can do this, even a beginner. And the impact it's going to have, it's definitely going to be worth the few minutes that it's going to take you to do this. Now, we're going to use two tools to do this. The first one is ChatGPT, and again, it's free, so you can use the free version. So what you're going to do is go to ChatGPT, and I'll place the links in the description of this video for you to do this. You're going to go to ChatGPT, and you're going to put a prompt in there, and you're going to describe this person. So I'm going to write this for my husband because he's a great father. So I'm going to use him as my example. So I'm going to say, and I'm not good at typing, so let me do my voice recording here, and it will type it. Father's Day is coming up, and I would like to create a powerful, touching, catching, and tear-jerking song for my husband. His name is Philip, and I would like his name to be included in this song. And let me tell you a little bit about Philip as a father. You can make your prompt longer. You can describe the father figure in much more details than I'm doing here. It's really up to you. The bottom line is, as you can see here on screen, ChatGPT is going to give us lyrics. And if you want to tweak these lyrics, or if you don't like the version that you're getting and you want to change it, you can do so as well. So next, we're going to hop over to Suno. And again, the link is in the description. And you're going to click on Create. And if you wanted to create a simple song, you could. But today, we're going to go with custom, as I'm selecting here. And I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy the lyrics that we got here, and I'm going to paste it here in Suno AI. And this is where you can add things like the genre. So if you wanted to make it a reggae song, you could type reggae here, you could type hip hop, or you can scroll across here and select what kind of music you want. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let the AI kind of figure out what I want and see if it gets it. And what we're going to do next is select Create, and we're going to get 2 Father's Day customized songs to choose from. Now our songs are ready. Are you as excited to hear them as I am? Let me play the first one for you.
Philip, you walk with strength and quiet pride. With every step we feel you by our side.
Let's listen to the next song.
Philip, you walk with strength and quiet pride. With every step we feel you by our side. Through every storm you've stood so tall, our steady rock who never let us fall.
And you can regenerate as many times as you like. Now, I'm going to show you another way. So you can say, write me lyrics for a dance hall song about Philip. Because you have already given AI the prompt, it knows who Brett and Jordan is, right? So now we're going to get a dancehall song, and I'm going to follow the same steps. But this time, when we place the song on Suno, as I'm showing you here, we're going to put dancehall as the style. You can, place dancehall, reggae, which I do sometimes, but let's just leave dancehall and hit create and see what it creates for us. Let's play the first one.
Yo, this one you're special. For the real man with tan firm theme fam. Feel it, this one for you. Big up the fathers them. But you're king me G. Big up yourself, Philip. Real top man, stand up strong. Always got the plan. For Jordan and Brett, you are number one, and your queen odettakerr proud fi call you the dan.
You get the gist. The bottom line is you can create something amazing. Now you can download the song. Just go right here, and after you choose the song you want, you can click these little 3 dots here and you can download as an MP3, and it will automatically go in your download folder, and then you can package it nicely and then you can send it to dad. But if you want to take it to another level, you can go to Canva and you can use the free version of Canva. And I actually recommend that you do this because this is where the tear jerking comes from. You're gonna select video, and then you're going to choose the size video that you want, whether you want it for the phone size or you want it this size. I'm going to choose landscape. And what you're going to do next is you're going to take the song that you downloaded from Suno. You're going to click on upload here and you're going to select audio, and you're going to find the file that you downloaded. Let me just show you an example here. And when you click on the song, it falls in the timeline down here. What you're going to do next is you're going to go and you're going to find photos of your children, photos of whoever this father is father to, photos of the father themselves. And then you're going to move it over to Canva. And the way you do that is you go right back here to upload. You click on upload files. You go to your photos. Let me see if I can I have a ton of photos, guys, but let me see if I can find a photo here of my husband or of our sons. So basically you would click a photo. You can also select videos. So you could just select a photo like that and then click upload, and the photo will show up here and you can put it over there, or you can do a video. When it's on the template, you can click these 3 dots and say set to background, so it absorbs the background. Then you can make this go longer by going up here and say you want this to show up for, let's say you want it to show up for 10 seconds. When you want to add another video or photo, you go to the plus sign here, as I'm showing you. You can also go to elements. Let's say you didn't want to use photo of that particular man that you're going to give this to. You can go to elements here, as I'm showing you, and you can type in father, and then you can choose videos or you can choose photos, but let's choose videos. What's going to get the tears though is when you use videos that you may have on your phone or on your devices with the kids, the father, and other memories that you have treasured. And when you're done, you click on share. You go to download and you download all the files. Make sure it's on MP4. You can increase the quality if you want, and you click download and it will pop up here in your device. And now you will have a file that you can send to this father via WhatsApp, which is the song plus videos or photos of this father interacting with his kids if you have them, or you're gonna get many generic photos here. Now, keep in mind that on Canva, because you're using the free version, you will need to choose photos that don't have the crown like this one here. So you'll still get good photos, but keep that in mind. These are all photos or videos, I should say, without the crown. And the same thing applies to photos. Choose ones that don't have the crown and create your video. And I think that makes an amazing Father's Day gift. Let me share with you here what the outcome of this is with the song that I created for Philip for Father's Day.
Philip, you walk with strength and quiet pride. With every step, we feel you by our side. Through every storm, you've stood so tall. Our steady rock, who never let us fall. You hold us close, even when the world gets loud. You fight
Subscribe
for peace,
now.
and still you laugh out proud. You're the man who never turns away. You're the reason we feel safe each day. For you, Philip, we sing this song with love. A father's heart, a soul we're so proud of. For Jordan and Brett, you show the way. You lead with grace, you never stray. For your wife, Odetta, you always stay. Our hero, Philip, every day is your day. Yo, this one you're special. For the real man what and firm for him fam. Philip, this one for you. Big up the fathers them. But you're king, my G. Big up yourself, Philip. Real top man, stand up strong. Always got the plan. For Jordan and Brett, you are number one. And your queen, Odettakerr, proud fi call you the Dan. No back down, always step on guard. Defender, protector, your love go hard. Philip, every beat, every bar. Happy Father's Day, star. Philip walk in, the whole place calm. Real general, full up a charm. Him not just talk, action man. If you touch him from better know say you're gone. Witty and wise, still full of joke. But cross the line and you might get smoke. Still him soft with him fam, you know. Loving and loyal, that's how him grow. Philip no flex for the gram, him flex for him fam. Cook a little meal, then build with a psalm. For him sons, him a teacher. For him wife, him a feature. In a the movie of love, yeah, him a the preacher. Hey, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Big up yourself, Philip. Real top man, stand up strong. Always got the plan. For Jordan and Brett, you are number one. And your queen, Odettakerr, proud fi call you the Dan. No back down, always step on guard. Defender, protector, your love go hard. Philip, every beat, every bar. Happy Father's Day, star. Real man, real love, real vibes. Philip, dead through all the tides. No fake thing, him real all night. Him nah run away, him hold you tight. Happy your day, we celebrate. Big up your name, elevate. Father, friend, husband too. Philip, this song, it belong to you. Big up yourself, Philip. Vibes turn up.
Rockstar Club, that's the place to be. Level up your life, come and grow with me. Mindset strong, we rise, we move. Big dreams, now we got nothing to prove. We learn, we win, we light that flame. Change your world, you'll never be the same. Rockstar Club, your time, your way. Let's build that.
Tell me if this tutorial is helpful and if you have learned something new in the comments. And have an amazing Father's Day if you're a father watching. And if you're not and you're gifting that father, enjoy.